English Kannada, have equals.
ಹೊಂದಿರು.
Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Say hello to Kannada.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Today we'll turn the verb have into your superpower with jokes, beats, and bite-sized drills. Buckle up, your brain already has this. Your learning goal today. By the end, you'll confidently say every core form of have in Kannada. Ready? Let's lock them in. Have.
ಹೊಂದಿರು.
I have.
ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
You have, informal, singular.
ನಿನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
He has.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇದೆ.
She has.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇದೆ.
It has.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ.
We have.
ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆ.
You have, polite, plural.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
They have.
ಅವರು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Pro tip. Everyday Kannada often uses to x. There is dative plus.
ಇದೆ.
To express have. Beat the forms. Clap or tap along. Rhythm helps memory. Repeat after me. Have.
ಹೊಂದಿರು.
Clap. Hun-di-ru. I have.
ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
Na-na-ge-i-da. You have, informal.
ನಿನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
Ni-na-ge-i-da. He has.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇದೆ.
She has.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇದೆ.
It has.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ.
A-doc-ki-da. We have.
ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆ.
Na-ma-ge-i-da. You have, polite, plural.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
Nivu hun-di-di-di-i-ri. They have.
ಅವರು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Ava-ru hun-did-di-a-ri. Mini dialogue. Do you have it? Listen to this quick scene, spot each form. A. Do you have the pen? Informal. B. Yes, you do.
ನಿನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
A. Great, I have the notebook.
ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
B. He has the tickets.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇದೆ.
She has the snacks.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇದೆ.
A. The bag? It has the map.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ.
B. Relax, we have time.
ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆ.
To the group, polite, you have the IDs.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
B. And they have the cash.
ಅವರು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Let's go. Quick examples you can use. Say these out loud, short, real, and useful. I have an idea.
ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಇದೆ.
Do you have time? Informal.
ನಿನಗೆ ಸಮಯ ಇದೆ.
He has a book.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆ.
She has an umbrella.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಛತ್ರಿ ಇದೆ.
It has a new feature.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ವೈಶಿಷ್ಟ್ಯ ಇದೆ.
We have a plan.
ನಮಗೆ ಯೋಜನೆ ಇದೆ.
You have 2 tickets, polite.
ನೀವು 2 ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
They have many books.
ಅವರು ಹಲವು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Culture tip. How Kannada says have. Here's the tiny grammar gem that makes everything click. In everyday Kannada, possession usually uses a to x. There is pattern, dative plus.
ಇದೆ.
So, I have is literally, to me, there is.
ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
The base verb, have,
ಹೊಂದಿರು.
also exists and appears in forms like.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅವರು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Especially in formal or written styles. Mix and match awareness equals turbo comprehension. Laugh break. A quick pun to lock it in. My backpack said, relax, you already have 5 pens. In Kannada, it winked.
ನಿನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
And maybe one snack I borrowed. Pop quiz time. Answer out loud, I'll reveal it after a beat. Ch.1, translate, they have. A.
ಅವರು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Ch.2, translate, we have. A.
ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆ.
Ch.3, translate, you have, polite, plural. A.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
Ch.4, translate, I have. A.
ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
Ch.5, what's the base verb for have? A.
ಹೊಂದಿರು.
30-second challenge. Ready for speed? Say them with one breath and a grin. I have.
ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
You have, informal.
ನಿನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
He has.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇದೆ.
She has.
ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಇದೆ.
It has.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ.
We have.
ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆ.
You have, polite, plural.
ನೀವು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
They have.
ಅವರು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Victory lap. Have equals.
ಹೊಂದಿರು.
Wrap up and next steps. You nailed it, nice work. Today you mastered have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, and they have, with.
ಹೊಂದಿರು.
And the dative pattern. Keep practicing these lines during your day. Keys?
ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ.
Tickets?
ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆ.
Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and printables at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.